Hey everyone! If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank page or struggling to keep up with your to-do list, you're not alone. Best in 5 is here today to share 5 secrets that have seriously boosted my productivity, and I'm pretty sure they'll do the same for you. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the magic of the Pomodoro technique. This is a simple yet effective time management method where you work in blocks of 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Trust me, it's a game changer for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. Just set a timer, and when it rings, take a short break before jumping back in. Simple, right? Next, prioritize your tasks with the Eisenhower box. Divide your activities into 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. This helps you focus on what truly matters and avoid wasting time on trivial tasks. The third tip: eliminate distractions. I know, easier said than done, right? But try turning off your phone notifications or using an app blocker during work sessions. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish when you're not constantly interrupted. Fourth, keep a tidy workspace. A cluttered desk can lead to a cluttered mind. Take a few minutes each day to organize your space. This not only helps you find things quicker, but also keeps you mentally clear and ready to tackle your tasks. And lastly, set clear goals. Whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly goals, having clear objectives gives you direction and a benchmark for measuring progress. Plus, there's nothing more satisfying than crossing things off your list, right? So there you have it. 5 simple but powerful tips to skyrocket your productivity. Implement these strategies and watch how they transform your work ethic and help you achieve your goals faster than ever before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.